At Impact, we've been designing and manufacturing innovative products for the waste industry for over 20 years. We make pretty much any part that goes on a dumpster, roll-off container, or compactor. Lids, replacement bottoms, casters, locks, fork pockets. Well, it's easier to just say we make everything but the can. And it all started with our lids. Impact lids are the longest lasting, most durable lids on the market. Well, a lid's a lid, right? Not exactly. Every time you replace a lid, it takes time, money, and labor. With Impact lids, you'll replace less lids every year. While it may not make much business sense for us, we'd actually like you to buy less lids. So why are Impact lids so durable? Well, first, Impact lids are thermoformed, while our competitors are blow-molded and roto-molded. If you're not a plastics engineer, here's what that means. Thermoformed lids have no parting lines, which are susceptible to breakage. Thermoformed lids also have uniform thickness throughout the part, including the hinge, ensuring every lid you receive is molded to perfection. Thermoformed lids can also bend and return to their original form time and time again to handle daily use and abuse. Impact also designs and manufactures all of our lids in-house, so we can design, test, and test, and test, and test, and test. We also make lids of every size, shape, and color. We make roll-off lids to help our customers avoid hefty EPA fines and keep costly stormwater out. We make recycling chute lids for our customers committed to sustainability. We even make bear-resistant lids. Why, you ask? Because bears are smarter than people think. But while Impact began just making plastic lids, we now make every other part that fits on the dumpster, including fabricated bottoms, casters, wheels, and so much more. In this day and age, you need more than just great products. At Impact, we have great people and great service. We look at our customers as family, and while you can't choose your family, you do have a choice on whether you buy from Impact or not. That's why we have the largest and most knowledgeable sales and customer service team in the industry. Have a question? Call, text, email, or chat with us. If that's not enough, we'll come see you on site for training and demos. You can even order our products online at impactinnovates.com. Need something quick? 98% of our orders ship same day for stock items from one of our 3 distribution points around the country. Need something custom? You guessed it, we do that too. So whether you're a national hauler or a third-generation family business, we strive to provide only the best price, products, and service. We want you as part of the Impact family.